So today I'm going to talk about the TPAC versus SAMR. So the TPAC is the Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge. It's a model that provides framework for identifying the teacher knowledge required to integrate technology effectively within the area of teaching. So this is a chart. It's just broken down into, technological knowledge, content knowledge, and pedagogical knowledge. Then the SAMR, it provides us with a critical framework for assessing the riches of the technology task as we use for learning. They're broken down into 4 parts, which is substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. So the similarities that they have, the SAMR model is the rubric in which teacher technology proficiency is measured, and TPAC is a framework that identifies the knowledge teachers need to teach effectively with technology. These 2 models go hand in hand. So teachers have to be trained in TPAC in order to be graded by the SAMR rubric. So you have to have one, before you can have the next. So my example, I teach kindergarten, and I don't plan on being in any other field right now, or even moving up in my profession. I plan on being in kindergarten for a while. So I use kindergarten math as my example. So for substitution, I changed out a piece of paper for Play-Doh during our class math session on numbers. So I'm introducing numbers. Instead of using a piece of paper, I'm going to use Play-Doh. For augmentation, now that the students have the Play-Doh, they will be using this Play-Doh to create the numbers that we are introducing. So it's working on fine motor skills, and it gives them something else besides just a plain piece of paper. Modification, now that we want to redesign the task by adding other manipulatives. So now, instead of just making these numbers with Play-Doh, now they are making objects with the Play-Doh. They've added legs and eyes, so now they have 6 spiders instead of just making the number 6. Redefinition, now that the math lesson is completely transformed to a hands-on lesson that the students will more likely retain than just pencil to paper. So now that they've made these numbers, they've made these objects for these numbers, this is more, they're writing the letters out for each number with the Play-Doh. They're using circles, filling up 10 charts. It's just a lot more that they are able to retain than just writing it down. And these are my resources. I hope you guys learned some good information.